What's up, guys? This is Adele with Ecom Trials. So today I'm going to be showing you guys an app that kind of changed my Shopify conversion rate. Alright guys, so this app really did actually change my conversions because you guys are probably always looking, saying, alright, is it my theme that's not making me the sales? Is it my product? Is it my marketing? Yes, I mean, it could be all those things, but a thing that you can really change on yourself if you have the time to is learning how to customize your page. Obviously, one product stores work, general product stores still work, but not too much. So I've been actually running around with one product stores recently, and I want to show you guys a theme that's actually free, or you could pay 20 bucks a month for extra things, but you can actually get it for free. And it's great for one product stores, it's great for stores. And you guys are probably tired of using those Shopify themes that they all look like Shopify stores. Well, today I'm going to show you guys something that's a little bit different. You can add it to your Shopify store and you'll start making sales like 3, 2, 1. I don't know. So I'm going to go over the site today where you guys can build that. Make sure you subscribe for the algorithm. Ecom Charles, we're trying to get to 1,000 subs, so let's make sure we do that. Obviously, follow me on IG. I got the free products in the Discord thing below. I got the Discord link in the description below. I also have my course if you guys want to try it out. Yeah, you
talking to me?
You want to try it out? Yeah. Alright, so you guys can also try out my course below. It goes over Facebook, Shopify, everything you need, and it's updated frequently. It's updated. So you can have that for a lifetime and keep it and do whatever you want with it. But anyways, today I'm going to be going over this website that you can download the theme straight to your store, and I'll walk it over and how you guys can do it and how it looks. It looks very professional. So now you guys can start finally making sales. Finally! Well, anyways, let's jump right into it. Here, it's called Ecom Solid. Here's what I'm going to do for you guys. And I'm going to add a link in below so you guys can download it. And it helps me and it helps yourself. Alright? You guys get a little discount thing if you guys want to get the extra option, which I recommend. But there's also a free option. So, we're going to continue here. I'm just going to run it down and show you guys, what essentially you get. So, learn how to serve you better. Doesn't really matter what you put here. Obviously, Gem Pages is a similar page like Ecom Solid. So, there's They Beautify, there's Gem Pages, there's all that. Which best describes you? Doesn't matter. I want to build a Shopify store. We'll put We're a Newbie, alright? Okay, let's finish. So based on that, you get the installation straight on your store. So we got a default Shopify store here, and what I'm going to do is you got all these options on the left hand side. You got your different types of templates you could build on. So I mean, look at these templates here. They're a lot nicer than what's offered on the Shopify store. I was started actually using the Solid. I think it's called the Solid Brune or something like that. But then there's this one. You got the Solid Fast, Solid Kid. They're all called after Solid, most of them at least. This one, and I guess this one would be good for like a nature product, maybe like a skincare product. This is more like a general store, I think. But obviously these are all samples. So I built on this one actually. But we can try any of them. So here's what I'll do. I'll insert this. And action. And what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna customize it and show you guys the rundown on how it looks like and what you can customize. So here we go. Alright, welcome to Global Style, Sarah Lee. And this is just a BS store. So this is the color. You obviously want to get your color code theme in right. Before you build all this, make sure you build a logo and make sure you get your colors right. Alright, so your colors, say we'll just keep this as our brand color, but make sure you want to keep this code so you put it on everything, right? So your highlight could be the price, background, custom color. So obviously that's your brand color, that blue color, right? So we want to make sure we paste that in. I mean, look at the sample of the store. The store looks a lot better than a regular Shopify store. So here it is on phone version. You know, it looks really nice. I mean, you got, you know, these little widgets here that, you know, you can add them on Shopify, but manually, or you're gonna have to buy a $180 theme. So we got all this stuff. We can obviously edit this stuff, and we can change it up. We can change up the banners. Say if we want to have something different. This is a sample store, so this is toothbrushes they are selling. But whether or not you can try different presets, and we can replace this with this, and we can upload our own image, right? So that's pretty much it with that. Obviously, you can go ahead and edit it. Over here, you can edit your home page. Now this just looks super sloppy. Let me change that back. All right, so we got I deleted the hero banner. So we got all our sections on the left hand side. So we start off with our top bar. That's obviously here. It's highlighted for you. To your header, your benefit list. So your benefit list is going to be like your pros of the business. Your testimonials you got over here. So you can switch through them. Obviously you can change that out, and you could add in your own testimonials. And then you got your banner. I don't know why we have two banners here. Yeah, we could take one of them out, but they're different images. You got your compare before and after image, your featured collection, your testimonials. So we got testimonials here. That's what I like about it, you know, having the image within the actual thing. But that's pretty much it. I mean, you guys can play around with this. If you guys would want, I could show you how I built mine. Obviously, I want to make this a little short video so you guys can watch and get right into it and start making your store, right? I really don't want to waste your time, but I did want to bring this up to you guys because I know a lot of people are still building on the same Brooklyn theme, and maybe that's why they aren't receiving sales, because a lot of people, the general public, knows our secret, right, guys? They know that we're drop shipping, right? And they know what it is, and they know how to find these stores, right? These stores all look the same. So, you know, if you want to promote better service, if you want to still drop ship, but still make sure you do it safely, I say building it on a good store using ecomsolid.com. I'll put this link down below, and I'll put my link so you guys can get something with it. I also get something with it also. But anyways, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys it. And then, you know, you got all your pages, and you can customize it the way you want, and it looks a lot more professional than other pages. So this is definitely helping me to become a multi-millionaire faster. Get you guys with the title on the YouTube video. Anyways, as I said before, subscribe, like the video, let me know what you guys want to see next. I got a lot of hidden gems that maybe most of you guys don't know that I can teach you guys to help you with your Shopify sales a lot faster. All right, guys,